Mwega. Welcome to Kikuyu Lessons with Wanjiru. Today I have a very interesting lesson. You have seen me challenge people to say Kikuyu tongue twisters before if you have watched my videos, but today I am going to teach you how to say the tongue twisters. So this video or this lesson will help you to learn pronunciation and also listening skills. So if you have an issue pronouncing Kikuyu words, this is your chance to learn. It's been about a month since I uploaded a video, and I really appreciate everyone that has sent me requests, and I want to assure you that I'll still make those videos and I'll post them here. So I've not forgotten, and I love that you have those requests. If it's your first time here, don't forget to subscribe, and you can share this video. If you want to learn Kikuyu language, you can reach me through this email address. You can share it with your friends. And now let's go ahead and start our fun lesson. The first tongue twister that I have today is Tata Tatara. Alright, Tata Tatara tũratathi tũu tũothe tũone twatigara tũigana. Tata Tatara tũratathi tũu tũothe tũone twatigara tũigana. Okay, before I say the tongue twister slowly, it means Auntie Tata, count those papers, and I say tũratathi because they're small. Count those papers so that we know how many are left. Auntie, count those papers so that we know how many are left. So you can repeat after me. Tata Tatara tũratathi tũu tũothe tũone twatigara tũigana. Tata Tatara tũratathi tũu tũothe tũone twatigara tũigana. Tata Tatara tũratathi tũu tũothe tũone twatigara tũigana. Okay, now go ahead and try on your own. The next tongue twister is a bit long. It's Cũcũ, ciĩre, ciana, ciaku, ciothe, ciathiĩ, cira-inĩ, ciorio, ciuga, ciarĩ, ciaũ, ciuge, ciuga, ciothe, ciarĩ, ciaku. Hey! Cũcũ, ciĩre, ciana, ciaku, ciothe, ciathiĩ, cira-inĩ, ciorio, ciuga, ciarĩ, ciaũ, ciuge, ciuga, ciothe, ciarĩ, ciaku. So first, this means, Grandma, tell all your children that when they go to court and are asked whose calabashes those were, or whose those calabashes were, they say that all calabashes belonged to you or were yours. So now let's say that tongue twister slowly. Cũcũ, ciĩre, ciana, ciaku, ciothe, ciathiĩ, cira-inĩ, ciorio, ciuga, ciarĩ, ciaũ, ciuge, ciuga, ciothe, ciarĩ, ciaku. Again, Cũcũ, ciĩre, ciana, ciaku, ciothe, ciathiĩ, cira-inĩ, ciorio, ciuga, ciarĩ, ciaũ, ciuge, ciuga, ciothe, ciarĩ, ciaku. Cũcũ, ciĩre, ciana, ciaku, ciothe, ciathiĩ, cira-inĩ, ciorio, ciuga, ciarĩ, ciaũ, ciuge, ciuga, ciothe, ciarĩ, ciaku. I hope you were able to say that one. Now let's move on to the next one. The third one is the first tongue twister that I challenged people, which was Gĩtingĩ, gĩtingĩtitikĩka. Gĩtingĩ, gĩtingĩtitikĩka. That means this log cannot be lifted, and it's not even a log, it's the, you know, when you cut a tree, there is a part that is left on the ground. That is what we call Gĩtingĩ. There are also some people who say Gĩtingĩ, but we are going to use Gĩtingĩ. Gũtitikĩka is from the word gũtitika, which is like to lift and to carry. So we cannot lift this log. So repeat after me. Gĩtingĩ, gĩĩkĩ, gĩtingĩtitikĩka. Gĩtingĩ, gĩĩkĩ, gĩtingĩtitikĩka. Gĩtingĩ, gĩĩkĩ, gĩtingĩtitikĩka. Gĩtingĩtitikĩka. Gĩtingĩ, gĩĩkĩ, gĩtingĩtitikĩka. Alright, I hope you were also able to say that one. Now let's go to number 4. Number 4 is actually the second challenge that I did, and it is Agararĩra hahai nĩho twa-aga-ra-ra-gĩ-ra. Agararĩra hahai nĩho twa-aga-ra-ra-gĩ-ra. So the easiest translation is cross through here. It is where we used to cross. But kwa-ga-ra-ra, agarara, is the act of, I'm trying to find the right words. Okay, I am going to explain this in the simplest way that I know. So let's say there is a log here, a log, yeah, and then you take your leg from here to the other side of the log. That is what we call kwa-ga-ra-ra. If you jump, okay, it's like to jump over, but you're not actually jumping, or to walk over the log, kwa-ga-ra-ra. So like a fence, you can actually like agarara, a fence. So repeat after me. Agararĩra, agararĩra hahai nĩho twa-aga-ra-ra-gĩ-ra. Twa-aga-ra-ra-gĩ-ra. Agararĩra hahai nĩho twa-aga-ra-ra-gĩ-ra. Nĩho twa-aga-ra-ra-gĩ-ra. Agararĩra hahai nĩho twa-aga-ra-ra-gĩ-ra. 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 And I hope you also got that one. I'm sure you're doing so well. The final tongue twister is actually the most common Kikuyu tongue twister, which is Kana, ka, Nikora, kona, kora, kora, nako, kora, kona, kana, ka, Nikora, kora. Kana, ka, Nikora, kona, kora, kora, nako, kora, kona, kana, ka, Nikora, kora. It means Nicola's child, so like a small frog, he ran away. But also, when the small frog saw Nikola's child, he also ran away. So repeat after me. Kana ka Nikora. Kona kora. Kora. Nako kora. Kona kana ka Nikora. Kora. Kana ka Nikora. Kona kora kora. Nako kora. Kona kana ka Nikora. Kora. Kana ka Nikora. Kona kora kora. Nako kora kona. Kana ka Nikora. Kora. Kana ka Nikora. Kona kora kora. Nako kora kona kana ka Nikora. Kora. Today I'll just teach you the 5. I hope you have done well. I hope you'll also keep practicing this pronunciation. Please let me know how you've done in the comment section. And I really wish you could record for me. If you can, please send it to my email address. I would like to know how you've done. And I appreciate you for watching this video till the end. Please make sure you share it. And I can't wait to see you in the next lesson. Twaega. Kana ka Nikora. Kana kora kora. Kana ka Nikora. Kora.